Hello! Welcome to Baking with a Book. I flipping love baking. I bake a lot. I'm always listening to an audiobook when I bake, so why not make a vlog out of it? So in this video, I'll be making an Appalachian apple stack cake, and I'll be listening to Mind Games by Nora Roberts. The Appalachian apple stack cake was inspired by the book because in that their grandma makes that and they talk about it. I'm going to start making the filling. I have 6 pounds of apples to core, slice, peel, and dice, and then I'm gonna cook them down with some stuff. I've got my handy dandy apple slicer, peeler, corer right here. Apples I'm using are Pink Lady and Fuji. People always say to bake with tart apples, but I don't like tart apples. I like sweet. So I get the apples I like. Don't come at me with Granny Smith. I don't like it. Controversial opinion, I don't like it. You tell me to put a Granny Smith apple in a recipe, I'm replacing it every time. Anywho. What an asshole. You should let him talk first. I thought about marking it down because he enjoyed it. She's going to be a successful video game designer. Fuck Asher. Love Lucy. Run is very large. Really laid back about underage drinking here. I'm not irresponsible. It's fiction. Build houses for you? They should buy it. Do it, Thea. Rob's gonna be an excellent business manager for her. Half a lemon. Apples, lemon, packed brown sugar. Okay, it's the next day. My filling is cold completely, chilled in the fridge overnight. Now I'm going to start making the cakes. Separated egg. Isn't Ty based off of him? These eggs too sticky. Hold in the apple butter and the egg whites. Apple stack cake. Make it in this book, so I thought it would be an appropriate choice for my baking with a book. I'm gonna grease these pans. There's 6 of them. Bake them. Let them cool and stack. Now I'll divide the batter up. Okay, here are our cakes out of the oven. So now I am going to make the apple cider glaze and then the caramel sauce that I want to put on it. I love Lucy. She doesn't put pressure on anybody. She's like, you'll find your way. My daughter loves baths too. You tell her it's bath time, she lights right up. I love her brother. He's so great. This guy is fucking delusional. What is wrong with this guy? Will their other family ever show back up? Their grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins. I feel like Tyler is just as smitten as she is. Who's gonna tell him? She's not creepy. Rest it all together. I don't understand how this is working. She's made a whole video game in her brain, but he's a queasy. Caramel sauce time. Let that butter melt. Why would she make it hard for herself too? She didn't even come ready for her own game. How'd she do that? I love this kid. He reminds me of my daughter. I'm telling you, he's a smitten kitten. Tyler is lost to the eyes of Thea. We'll let that cool, and then I will start stacking the cake. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Romance. So it's gonna go cake, glaze, filling, caramel. Asher sucks and he didn't deserve her. He did mean it. Don't excuse these bullshit men. He did mean it. All he needs is a good talking to? Are you fucking kidding me? No. This man belongs in prison, not a talking to. just makes me sad. He is appalled by his lack of cooking ability. These two are so cute. Ooh.
Still don't understand how it works.
2 hours in an empty house. Didn't know what to do with it. Call Thea and scratch that itch. Alright, and there is my apple stack cake. I think it came out pretty good. The shape's a little wonky because I had to use disposable pie tins instead of just regular cake crowns, so they kind of, instead of just straight circle, but that's fine. It's just gonna get eaten anyway. But it looks delicious, so let's take a bite. Doo-doo. Right. Thank you. That's good. I feel like it. It almost gives like you know, like banana nut bread, but apple. That's very good. I've never had one of these. Husband approved? Well, that's all for baking with a book. Mind Games is great. This apple stack cake is great.